Hello children, welcome again to the online class of Monbretia School. Now children, today we will study English literature because you know that I am your English teacher and my name is Manisha Pandit. So students, today we will study English literature and you will take it out your English literature book. Now students, before studying, I hope that you remember my points, whatever I have said you in my previous video, right? You remember I have said you for dictionary and many more things I have said you. Okay, I hope that you remember, but in this video also I'll tell you that you need to have dictionary, as I have told you in my previous class, that will help you to find new words which you don't know the meaning for that. Okay, and I hope that you have started taking your dictionary. So now students, you will take it out your English literature book with your pencil. Take it out. Okay children, first you take it out your copy, English literature copy. Take it out. I hope you have taken out. Now pencil also you will keep it with you. Now students, in previous classes we have done chapter 2, everything we have done, but I would like to give a revision for that. Now chapter 2 we have done the word meaning. Now today I'll make you understand that what are the meanings, and in question answer I'll make you understand the question and the answer also. Okay, so that when you will learn, so it will be easy for you, because if you will understand whatever it is written, so you will learn easily. Now see, the first word meaning was barley. Now barley, what is the meaning? A cereal like wheat or rice means what? A cereal that is wheat or rice. I hope that you know what is wheat and what is rice. Okay, so that is a kind of means barley. Now number 2, country. Now country meaning is here open spaces away from towns and cities. Means a country is something which is away from towns and cities, and that is a open space. Okay, uh, uh, means in towns and cities there are many population for vehicles and human beings, but in country there are open spaces. Now, number 3, overhead. The overhead meaning is above the head. Means uh, uh, above the head means over your head. Now, see, this is a logical meaning. The question is overhead, and the meaning is above the head. Means very simple meaning, आपके head के ऊपर. Okay. Now number 4, best mouser. You remember this word is in your chapter 2. Now its meaning is best mouse hunter. Means the mouse which is now who is good in catching a mouse. Now you will take it out the question answer. Now your first question I have given you, that did Mickey like the food in the country? Now when in the beginning of the chapter, okay, when Mickey got when Misty gave him barley and cauliflower to eat, so did Mickey like that? No, Mickey did not like that. See, answer is no, Mickey did not like the food in the country. Yes, because Mickey wanted to have some delicious food. Okay, but Misty I did not eat those all things. That mouse only eat barley and cauliflower, which Mickey didn't liked. So number 2, what did Misty eat from the kitchen cupboard? Now Misty, what did Misty eat from the kitchen cupboard? उसने क्या खाया था kitchen cupboard से? Now answer is from the kitchen cupboard means kitchen cupboard से उसने क्या खाया? Misty ने खाया. Misty ate brown sugar and raisins. उसने brown sugar खाया था और raisins खाया था means किशमिश. Okay. Now number 3, what did Misty eat as fast as he could? Now Misty जब उससे मिला था खाना, then what did he ate as fast as he could? मतलब जितना जल्दी हो सके उसने क्या खाया? Okay, so answer is Misty ate the raisins as fast as he could. So what did Misty ate as fast as he could? Misty ate the raisins. उसने किशमिश खाया था as fast as he could. Now number 4, what were the 3 dangers the mice ran away from? Now in this whole story there were total 3 dangers that the mice ran away from. From the starting to end there are how many dangers? 3 dangers. Okay. Now in this question also it has been asked that 3 danger क्या था जो चूहा भागते गया. Okay, for from that danger. So answer you see the 3 dangers for which the mice ran away from. Now what were the 3 dangers? The 3 dangers were the cook. I hope that you remember the cook in the beginning. What danger came? That was the cook. Now the second danger is the cat. You remember the Bella? Yes. And the trap. The last one, that is the that in the stand it was kept some cheese. Okay, that was a trap. Now these were the 3 dangers. Now number 5, what did Mickey think of the life in the country? Now what did Mickey think? Now what after going there, what did he think, that how was the life in the country? So answer will be Mickey thought his life in the country was very simple. So Mickey thought that staying in the country for the whole life was very simple. Okay. Today only revision today. I hope that you have understood it, meaning and word meaning and question answer. I hope that you have understood, and now you will learn question answer for chapter 2. Okay, you we have done today the revision for chapter 2, and your homework will be you will learn question answer of chapter 2 one by one. You learn, okay, not all together you will learn. You learn one by one. Okay children, so now thank you.